Today I am so excited to be able to be talking to you about the PCA Hyaluronic Acid Overnight Mask, a beautiful addition to the PCA Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Serum, and if you haven't tried this then you are missing out. This range is one of the best I've used when it comes to hydrating the skin. It is an intensive overnight mask that is going to soothe, rejuvenate and protect your skin from environmental factors. Apply the mask after cleansing, toning and applying the PCA Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Serum for the ultimate in hydration. Smooth onto the skin at night to reveal radiant, hydrated skin in the morning. This mask can be used nightly or as needed. The star ingredients are 2 different types of hyaluronic acid that helps to target different layers of the skin. These work together to provide a soothing and softening benefit to the upper layers of the skin, reduces transepidermal water loss and also penetrates deeper into the skin, reducing visible wrinkles. We have panthenol, which is a provitamin B5 that provides deep moisturization and also reduces transepidermal water loss to increase the skin's overall moisture retention. We have niacinamide, and this is a potent yet calming antioxidant that improves barrier function and can promote an even skin tone. A botanical antioxidant extract known as Persian silk tree will help support the integrity of the skin and improve the appearance of lines, wrinkles and under eye puffiness. If you would like to purchase the overnight mask, please click on the link below, or if you need any skin advice, please reach out to us via the advice tab on the website.